In this video, I'll show you how I restored my BMW's peeling yellow headlights from this to this with the new headlight restoration kit from SYLVANIA. This kit is not like any of the other kits on the market because it includes a magical bottle of UV coating which makes these lights look like new. As you can see here, I'm applying the coating after the lens has been thoroughly wet sanded. So here's where I got started. First, I taped off the surrounding area with painter's tape to prevent any accidental sanding scratches to the paintwork. Next, I applied the surface activator included with the kit. This removes any old UV coating from the lens. As you can see here, the brown UV coating is practically melting away. Ideally, you will do this out of direct sunlight, unlike how I did it here in this video. I then applied it a second time to fully clean the lens. Now we start with the wet sanding. So first we start with the 400 grit paper that's included with the kit. Next, I sand with the 1000 grit, also included with the kit. And finally, we wet sand with 2000 grit, also included with the kit. Next, I use the clarifying compound to polish the lens using the paper towel included with the kit. I then washed away the excess with soapy water. The last step before applying the magic UV coating is to clean the lens one more time with the surface activator. I also used a leaf blower at this point to dry the area 100% and make sure there is no excess water that could possibly have little droplets go into the coating once I applied it. Any water drops that leak onto the lens during the coating process can ruin it, so be sure it is 100% dry. And the last step is to apply the UV coating to the edge of the included towel and then brush the coating onto the lens. The coating itself takes 4 to 6 hours to cure, so ideally you want to do this in a garage or on a sunny day. And here are the results. By far, this is one of the coolest automotive products I've seen in many years. I've tried a lot of different headlight restoration kits. This one is the best one I've used so far. So let me know if you try it out.